Hello everyone, welcome back to Clean Nasty, and today we're going to show you guys how to make a fire in a fire pit with wood. Now if you want to see how to make an amazing fire, stay tuned and we're going to show you guys just how to do that. Alright, so this is how you're going to make a fire in a fire pit. But before we start, we have to talk about a quick fire safety. Now you never want to deal with fire unless you have the proper thing to put the fire out. So for me, I have a bucket of water, but you also may want to use a workable fire extinguisher. Now since we got that out the way, let's take a look at the items, the material we need to go ahead and make the fire. So here we have dry grass here. So what I did was I had my daughter pick some dry grass and put it in a bundle. Now if you don't have dry grass, you can also purchase some hay for hamsters or rabbit. This works just as fine. What we have here on this side, we have pine cones. They're very high flammable material that we're going to use for kindling. It's going to be at the base of the fire. We also have dry tree bark here. It's also very flammable material. And you also have here, we have our fire starter. These are matches that are flammable. You also can use a lighter, matchsticks or whatever is easier, but this we find this to work very well because this helps the fire start and keep going on. Now as you look over here, this is all the items we need, all the materials we need to go ahead and have a successful fire. We're on to the last part, and that is actually making the fire in the fire pit. So honey, how are you going to start it now?
I'm going to start with 2 small pieces of wood and I'm going to put it in the middle of the fire pit.
Okay.
Then I'm going to use some newspaper and make some small pieces.
Oh yeah, we forgot to tell you guys that in the other part of the video that you can also use paper.
Yeah, you don't need to use no newspaper, it's just easier.
Yeah.
So, and now I'm going to put
some dry grass.
Some dry grass in here. And some of these.
Some pine cones. Pine cone. It's not a Chinese word, right? Okay. Now, this is how we make our fire. You can figure out and test other methods, other ways, but this is how we specifically make our fire. We've been doing it for a while now. We also have a fireplace in the house too. Well, fire stove. So you're going to take some blocks of wood and put some tree bark on top of it. Because the goal is you want to start to make the fire kindle. You got to have some kindling at the bottom. Okay. 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 So it's making it like in a triangular method. Okay. Okay.
Enough.
So that is how we build our fire on a fire pit using wood. Stay tuned and we're going to go ahead and light this bad boy. Moment of truth is now upon us. We're going to go ahead and start the fire. Like I said, we got a matchstick, a lighter, and let's do it. Okay. I want to put it right at the bottom. Okay. Okay. You can also use 2 of them. I'm going to put another one at the bottom. Directly at the bottom. Okay, right there. You also want to make sure that you're using dry wood. got our fire started. As you can see, it's taking a little slower because I think our wood is a little bit still wet. But anyway, in any case, make sure you have dry wood. Make sure you follow the methods that we showed you in this video. We got a good base going on. And if you have any way you can make it, this is just our way of doing it. Okay? Finish up our video. Here's the fire. Everything is looking good, looking stable. Now if you enjoyed this video, I would so gladly appreciate if you hit that like button, subscribe, and tell us what you think in the comment section. Let's start a conversation on what's going on. Do you have a different fire pit? What the method you use? So stay connected, like, subscribe, and see you in the next videos.